everyone, welcome to flowindata channel. And today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to check whether an array is empty using PHP. So an empty array can sometimes cause software crash or unexpected outputs. So to avoid this, it is better to check whether an array is empty or not beforehand. So there are various methods and functions available in PHP to check whether the defined or given array is an empty or not. So let's learn some techniques. So let me first make the array variable array empty, and it's the empty array. Next array variable I'm going to make not empty array. So I'm going to pass array, going to pass URL. So we have these two array, that is one is empty array and one is not empty array. So now we use if condition here. So inside of if, we are going to use the empty function. Okay, this function determines whether a given variable is empty or not. So not empty. So let me first pass the not empty array. So if it is done, then we will echo the array is not empty. Now if empty $array empty, then echo this array is empty. Let me put here break so that it will come in different line. Save this. Let's go ahead, reload the page. So you can see in the first case, not empty array. So this array is not empty. So that's why you got the array is not empty. And the second one is we are checking empty for the array empty. So echo this array is empty. Okay, so this is the empty function you can use to check if the variable is empty or not. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the second case to check the array is empty or not. So for that, let's skip the empty array and clear all other code. So I'm going to use the count function now, and this count function counts all the elements in an array, and if the number of elements in an array is 0, then it will display empty array. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's write if count $array empty equals to 0, echo the array is empty, else echo the array is not empty. Okay, so we use simply the count function to count the elements of an array. So this count function is actually for counting the elements of an array. Since this array is empty array, so it will be 0. The count will be 0, so this should be the output. So reload the page. So you can see the array is empty. Okay, so this is the second condition. So now I'm going to use the last function. So that is the size of function. Okay, and this method is actually for checking the size of array. So if the size of array is 0, then array is empty, otherwise array is not. Okay, so same thing. Now let's just in place of count, let's write size of. So this size of function is used to check the size of array. Remember that. Okay, so now save it and reload it. Then you get the same thing, because we have this empty array. So the size of empty array is 0. Okay, so you get this. So this is the 3 ways I show you today to check whether an array is empty or not. So thank you for being with us. See you in the next video.